Hi guys, this brushless TAMIYA NEO Fighter Buggy was already a tire killer on 2S. But what about 3S? Let's find out. Today this GC301 gyro sensor arrived. Now let's unbox this thing and have a closer look. You can buy this gyro on Banggood, the link is in the description. So first let's have a look at the gyro model itself. There is a gain pot and 3 connectors for the servo, the gain input and the steering input, as well as a gyro reversing switch. 2 extension leads for the remote gain input and for the steering input are also included. We also have a sticky pad to mount this thing. Now let's have a look at the manual. It looks like it is pretty good. This gyro can be used with and without remote gain. This means you can adjust the gain on the transmitter or on the gyro itself. The gyro is now installed in the car and wired to my DIY Arduino remote. Now it's time to go outside and do a test run on 3S. As you can see, the functionality is the same as in my DIY Arduino MRSC unit. The gain can also be adjusted on my DIY Arduino transmitter. Yes, the tires are still bald from the previous run on 2S. And there is lots of loose gravel on this tarmac, so it's very slippery. Now let's try to do some full throttle runs. Wow, that's pretty fast. Nice, this was even faster. Oops, I think that's the end of the tires. Time for a final burnout. That's it, time to go home. There is still some juice in the battery, so let's do some donuts. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!